So the plan for today is to use this space right here. A lot of people take hatches and mount them up top, but I want to be able to jump up there and get to my rod rack when a rod goes down and catch a fish. So I'm going to mount my hatches vertically down here so I can access underneath the seat and store some stuff down there. Now I picked up these hatches from Amazon. I'll link them down below. They fold down. They've got a nice little gasket in there. Just need to cut out a hole that I can slide those into and screw them in and bolt them from behind. And this should be a real quick, easy project that makes a whole lot of difference when we're out on the water. We're gonna put a 2x4 down here just so I can get a nice even playing surface down there to mount these on. I also want a little bit of a gap down here so when I fold these down, they're not hitting the floor and causing an issue. So it'll give us plenty of access in there, plenty of room up above. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is trace out the back. I'm gonna flip that 2x4 up and draw this bottom line since I couldn't really trace it all that well. That should work out fine. I might have to trim it a little bit, but so far I think that's gonna be fine. The second hatch, I think I want to go right next door to it, so I have room for a third down there eventually as well. So I'm gonna carry this line all the way across. To cut these out, I'm gonna use a combination of my skill saw and my jigsaw. Next line of business is getting rid of some of this foam here. I'm going to use a Japanese handsaw, try and carve some of that out, see how that goes. We're about an hour and a half in and this project is kicking my tail. Check it out. We are chipping away at it. We got a whole bunch of this foam out. Still a lot to go. Using a combination of pry bars, the Japanese knife, drywall knife, and we got out the big old saw. We got the sawzall going. A little bit of everything. We're gonna keep chipping away at it and it's just gonna take some elbow grease. Goober gang, I cannot tell you how glad I am that all that foam was out of there. That turned into a 2-day, maybe 6 or 7 hour process to get it all out of there. Luckily this side kind of came apart really nicely in big chunks, but that side, it fought me tooth and nail the whole way. If you do this project, I wish you good luck. Don't call me for help. You might be able to tell that we ended up cutting 3 hatches here. I've got to get one more on order, so once that shows up from Amazon, we'll go slapping these bad boys in, wrap up this project real quick. We ran to the store and got a little bit of hardware here. We got 2 packages of 8/32 and 3/4 inch length. Got 24 of those total. We got some number 8 washers, and we got some 8/32 nylon lock nuts. Now it's real simple from here. We're gonna take the hatch and put it in the cutout. I'm just gonna drill one of the holes for now. I'm gonna start down here. This is an 11/64 inch drill bit for these 8/32 screws. I'm going to actually attach one of these, put the washer on the back side with the nut. Number 9 deep socket goes on the back there. And for everybody real upset about this DeWalt right here, we're going to tag in the Milwaukee to finish up the job. Real nice and easy. Now that I've got that one in place, I'm going to go ahead and drill out the other 7 holes. Or I probably can't get to these too easily, so I'll probably just do 6 to be honest. And there you go, we're in business. We just got to repeat that a couple more times. 2 more to go. So I think that turned out pretty nice. We've got a heck of a lot more storage underneath this boat now. Room for life jackets, cast nets, weights, tackle, fire extinguisher. All stuff that just would have been laying around the deck. So I appreciate you doing that project with me. It turned into a little bit more of a headache than we planned on. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. We'll catch you on the next one.